What's up, people? Welcome back to another live. So, as we were discussing yesterday, we'll be continuing with the Linux today. And again, it's 5th of Jan, but still not. It's been not that long since New Year has been started. So, Happy New Year, guys! Those who wasn't here yesterday and those who are watching freshly, or maybe I would say to everyone, Happy New Year, and I hope you'll have a great rest of your year. And other than that, let's start pursuing our goal back and see if this year we can conquer the OSCP or like any relevant certification that we can pursue. So for that, we'll continue with our Linux challenge as we're working with the Hack the Box. So right now we was working with Windows box. Yesterday we completed that, and today we're gonna continue with Linux pack. It's been a long days, or like it's been quite many days since we last solved the Linux one. So let's continue with that. We have our OpenAdmin open here. It's already built everything. So all just have to do is, let's close this. Just start the machine and put it over this screen and hide the files. Close this, open the drop down menu and type sudo, enter. There we go. We're connected with the VPN. We got the IP address and our machine is also getting fired. So like, how should I proceed with this? Should I go with the guided mode or should I go with the adventure mode? Cause guided mode is more of pre-explained kind of stuff where you already know like what you will be tackling, but in the adventure mode you're all in blind. So I like to challenge myself, so should we go with adventure mode? When we'll get stuck, we will go back to the guided mode and try to like get stuff out. And we got our IP address, put it here and here too, and here too. Copy this, and I'm not sure if I have created the directory. I think I have created a directory. Hack the box, machines, and OpenAdmin. There we go. Clear. And we'll paste the command and enter password. There we go. Just give me a second. I might shout, so I'll mute myself for a sec. There we go. We got only 2 ports open, which is not that unusual. Port 80 and 22. In the Windows box, we usually get more open ports, but as we're working with the Linux, so I can expect that much that we won't be working with that many ports here. So let's see what we can do. And start with this. And as per the port 80, I believe we have something to look for. Okay. For the start, we have got the port 80 open. Let's run nuclei and see what we'll get. This is a write-up style, the way I'm writing the note, but when you create a report, that's a total different style. So we'll learn that too in the future. What we'll get. And there we go, we got our output. It's an Apache, and let's see what else we'll get. We'll clear this and perform the nuclei -u, and this is going to be the IP address. Paste it here and enter. While this is running, let's go to the browser and see what this page actually holds. There we go. It's a default Apache page. And along with that, let's visit the web page too. And here we have the default Apache. Let's Apache 2 page. Highlight this and we'll put this here. Okay, so let's see if this has any sort of robot.txt. Nope. We got anything here? Nothing yet. There is another one, another file that we usually check. It's sitemap.xml or it's YAML. I think it's sitemap.xml. We don't have anything like that. Do we have something similar to LFI? etc/hosts, enter. No LFI. Public HTML directory. That's their own website. Anything into the source code? Table of content? Nothing. And other than this, didn't got anything else. So let's okay. Other than this, So let's also run the FUF so we can collect the endpoints. If there is any else, we'll check for any other, what do we say, subdomain. If required, like else and if in same place. This doesn't make any sense, so let's stay with else. And we have everything there. Let's just copy this and paste it here. Along with that, copy this IP address, put it here, and we'll change the name open admin puff. And we can remove stuff like ASP, ASPX, PHP can stay there. We don't need the exe, DLL, not making any sense. VBS, nope. This one for PS1 is for the PowerShell. And class jar Java file can be there. Okay, that's all we need. So we'll copy this, and we didn't got anything from the nuclei that worth checking. So, and from the nuclei we didn't got anything that get highlighted and help our process and help in our process. Highlighted, and we already have the FUF, right? So let's clear this and collapse this, paste it here, and press. Oh, there is one more flag that I forgot, capital D for dead search. And we can cancel this out and put a flag, FL lines total 10. We'll be filtering out the lines which are like unnecessary there. So press enter. And there we go. Now let's wait for the result and see if we'll get any sort of endpoint that is required there. Or we can check and make progress further. I don't know why, but this easy box actually seems easy. I don't know why. Okay, let's see. I just hope we didn't kill the machine. Okay. We got one good looking endpoint artwork. Let's wait and see if we'll get any other. Till then. Okay, it seems chat is dead. No one in the chat. People must be busy enjoying the Sunday. I can understand. Index.html. Anything else? Music. Like request pace is actually pretty darn slow. I don't know the reason though. And for some reason my CPU is also spiking damn high. As you can see here. It seems it's back to normal. Yeah. Other than music. Don't think we got anything else. Now we are checking for the subdirectories. But even for that, this request pace is pretty slow. Let's do this. Cancel. Clear. Keep everything and remove all the extensions. Also remove -D and press enter. Now this should work faster. Artwork. dot index music and your finish. We got contact JS. Style.css. Nothing interesting so far. Okay, there is something. Blog. And don't tell me we are going into some sort of rabbit hole. Do you think it's rabbit hole? Like, who am I even asking? No one is in the chat. Almost done with the scan. And it seems nothing cool. Let's see this endpoint. Images, blog, premium. It's images, concept, images, songs, images, playlist, images, wave thumb, images, image, soul music, BE, no. Okay, we didn't got anything special. Should we give a last check by using some different sublist? For example, if we use this one, maybe this one, and let's see if we'll get anything this time. Although I hope, like, not hope, but I think we won't be getting anything. But let's see. We'll keep checking what we have. We have music here. Okay. We got something cool. Download. Nothing. Login. Create an account. We can't create. Okay. Nice. I guess I know what we need to do. So this is the one. We need to run this again. And we have already got one endpoint. We just didn't look at that. And what about this one? The artwork. I think I should kill this recursion first. And enter. By color lab or lib. And remove this. And now clear this up. And we have got some endpoints. And music is an interesting one. Music, 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 music. Because it has a login page, which we might be able to leverage. And by clicking on login, it redirected us to another endpoint, which is this one. And this service or framework seems to have version disclosure, and some other good stuff like add a DNS, okay, new subnet. I'm going to sneeze. You guys are safe. And other features. But as we always do, we will check if this service has any vulnerability or exploit associated with its version. With its given version. So the service name is, let's see. In the source code. Maybe we'll get something in the source code, although I don't have much high hope. I think the service name itself is a ONA, I guess, ONA. And what else? Ajax Windows Submit Tooltips ID is equal to this. Login form. Current login user. Click to change. We might be exploiting this at some point. I don't know. And we have a function which is doing what? Record count pi. Okay, it's this pie chart, which is making some sort of counting, and probably we might be exploiting this code also. Not sure. And this has been added as a script. And then it's, I think, printing the pie chart. Let's go all the way down and see what we have. Okay, nothing special. So download. Okay, it's OpenNetAdmin. Got it. For ONA, which is what? OpenNetAdmin shit, and the version is close this 18 point something. First, let's check it over the tool that we use. What was its name? Search exploit. and see if this has anything else. Will Google. So let's go to the search exploit and we can clear this. And in search exploit we need to type ONA and provide the version. We'll just give it a 18. Okay. ONA. It seems there is too much of wrong information. Okay, instead of using the short form, let's go with the full form. And there we go. We got some good stuff here. So we will copy this out and paste it here. And it seems we have got some good stuff. And we might be able to use the either use this script or maybe the Metasploit. So let's try both. First, oh, hello sir, how are you doing? I was sitting alone here. At least someone is here. How are you doing? First, we'll start with the script, with the Python script. This is the one, and oh nice, it's not a Python, it's a bash script. It seems I don't have to I think I found a pretty damn easy machine today, so trying to conquer it. Let's see if we can. And for some reason I'm actually feeling it's pretty easy. I hope these kinds of machine we will be able to get into the exam also. And what I was about to do, search exploit -m, then we'll type the number and there we go. Move the script. Or we say copy the script into the working directory. And then let's clear this out. What's next? ls cat 47 whatever, and let's see what it's doing. It's a bash script. We'll be providing the URL as an argument, and then it is performing the echo or this. Okay, so this is taking the argument over here. Next it's performing the curl action where it's Windows submit the argument. Let's see where we have this code in the source code, then we might be able to map it better. And it's taking its beautiful time. And find paste x argument. It's not taking any sort of argument. Let's see what other thing we can fetch. Okay, we have this over two places, the southwest and the south, and it's performing JavaScript Ajax Windows submit some sort of tooltip. And for the tooltips, it's performing the login form action, and ID is equal to this. It seems we are exploiting this ID parameter over here, and using this parameter we might be able to execute the commands with the Linux based commands. So that's what I can think of. Curl silent -d, or is it, what is it doing? Windows submit. Do we have anything like this over here? I don't see. Ajax is equal to, it must be part of some sort of request. We'll check this later. First, let's keep the pace and enter. ID. Who am I? Okay, I guess messed up. -h. Okay, the script seems to be broken. Kinda. Should I do this? ID. Oh. So that's how it's working. And I'm pretty sure it is exploiting something over here within the source code. So, who am I? Okay, let's see. And run it. And let's also paste in the script over here, cat for whatever. And this is the logic that it holds. Here is a script logic, which is using curl to send request, and in a send request with the command in it. So what vulnerability is it? Command injection? Yes. We're using curl. We can perform command injection. Let's see if I have anything for this. No, I don't have. So let's just highlight it separately. clear, collapse this, and this is how we are running this script. Now let's see if we can fetch the user or can access the other users. For this, let's do cat /etc/ password. And there we go. Okay, I don't think we can do this. For some reason we are getting this. And I think we can remove it because we're only looking for this stuff. Okay, we have the SQL too. We can remove the no login and the false one to reduce the noise here. Sync, we don't need that. And there we go. And we have found two users. One is Jimmy and other is Jonna. Let's try using the switch user command and see if we can access the other user. But before that, should we check if there is any code that we might be able to read? Let's see if I do there. We have some good stuff here. cd config there. Okay, we can't switch the directory using the ls. The reason is it is going to open in the same place. So only thing we can do is perform the command by sitting there itself. And let's try this. Grep -i capital R password and try this. Okay, I wasn't expecting this much of garbage, but I guess we have to deal with this, and it's a darn big output. Is this a password? Let's see. If I do SSH for the Jimmy at where? Jimmy at where, bro? This IP address and copy this. Yes. And paste, enter. Okay, We can't access Jimmy. What about Jonna? Will we be? Paste, enter. Okay, we can't access both. But what about this? If I do who am I hyphen data, I don't think this user will be able to access though, but who knows. Okay, so that's not a password. Very interesting. Password change container. Purge. MySQL purge logs. Option password. Must be overridden. Password is correct. There should be some sort of like string, either in a plain text or maybe in encoded or encrypted or in hashed format. Let's see. All I can see is either arguments or variables. Type protocol database. There is a database file. Let's copy this and we'll try to cat it also and see if we can fetch some sort of password from there. So far nothing. This is the only string that I could see. Let's try cat paste. Oh shit. Slash paste, enter. Okay, there's nothing. Interesting. I guess we need to get a proper working shell. It seems we need proper working shell. So we will perform RCE using netcat listener. And for that, where do we go? We go here. We'll just change the IP address to 3. That's the IP address we have, and port back to the 1. Copy this, paste it here, start this, and I believe we can just copy this, paste it here, and enter. And we should get our listener. Okay, we are using the Windows one. No, this doesn't make any difference, so we will use this one because this one always work for some reason. Paste, enter. And What does it say? No. What about this? SH? Maybe Z shell? Let's try the Z shell here for this. This is weird. Copy, paste, enter. Why is it not working? Curl. Let's try this. Paste, enter. Oof. Bin bash, back, copy, paste, enter. No. This. Any good idea, bro? Whoever is watching, like, why the hell is it not working? For me, this one always work, but for some reason it's not working this time. If I change it back to the Z shell, copy this, paste it here, enter. It's still not working. Something wrong with the netcat listener. Paste, enter. Okay, let's directly go for the bash. No action. Z shell. It seems we didn't got the connection yet. So this one. Nope. Bin bash. The IP address. And the port number, I guess, if I do the URL encoding, cause it is sending what we say, the web request, right? Boom. Just a bit of a mind tickle and you're on the right path. Let's cancel this. We'll get a clear image. Cancel this. And I believe we will be able to trigger this one too. Copy and connect, paste, enter. Okay. Enter, and let's stick with this one cause this always worked for me. Oh. Without your encoded, we will add it here. This is URL encoded because it's a web request. Hello sir, how are you doing? Bro, your name is pretty complex. Sorry, I can't pronounce that. Okay, so we got some good stuff. This is what we have triggered, and in the result, this is what we have got. And now if I try to perform grep-i capital R password, I believe it's gonna give the same output without making much difference. So we'll clear this. Okay, we can't clear this. ls damn cd, or let's cat this file and see if we can get anything from here. Base echo and stuff. Plugin module, login local. I think this is the only place we can get something. And cat this. Nothing out of the box other than this string. Cat config.inc.php. Anything here? There are different types of colors. Function calls. And this is whole PHP script. Nothing related to the keywords. Can you share your .md file? Which .md file would you like me to share to you, bro? Array over here. Database. Local config. Let's check this one too in the local endpoint. I'm not able to see anything different here. ls cd local ls and cd config ls cat database settings dot this. Okay, there we go. Boom. And by looking around. Seems we have got the username, or instead of username we got the password. Let's try that over the users we found previously. Let's see. I'm waiting, bro. Like, which .md file you want me to share to you? Let's clear this and this too, and we will split it. And now if I do SSH, okay, I didn't paste it here. There we go. Let's try SSH over, copy the users names, Jimmy and Gianna. And search GIMMY at IP address, this, paste, enter. I think we can also do it by using the command su, which will be getting used for the switch user. I'll show you how. Let's see if this works for Jimmy. Boom, we are in. And the other way is, if you don't want to perform the SSH, is su try Jimmy. We are doing this directly over the like the RC we got using the netcat. And if I press enter, it says switch user must run from a terminal. Okay, let's try su for the Jonah. Okay, it required the terminal, so we can't do it from here. And we can cancel this. We don't need this anymore. Collapse. And give me a sec. And let's put it here. Remove this so we can get a proper color grade. Now add a table. Insert. Backspace. There we go. We'll put username and password. Username is Jimmy and the password is this, Ninja Warrior. Now let's get the user password, not user.txt flag, and then do prevesc sh. We will do the ls. Okay, this user is empty. This is no. Yosh. Can we go to the user? cd Jana. Permission denied. Okay, it's not as easy as it seems. So seems we need to fetch like another, okay, there is another password to get to the Jonah account, and I'm pretty sure Jonah is the one who is holding the, what we say, the user.txt flag file. And it again, let's see, and it seems this user don't have the user.txt flag file. We need to switch to other user, which is Jonah. Let's try if we can like perform it without making much noise, just like this, if it let us. I guess we can. Let's see. If I'll just use this user password. No. Simply cannot. I don't know what's going on into my nose. Damn it. Okay. Damn it. Still going on. Now we need to find a place from where we can get the password for the Jonah. And let's see. cd Jimmy ls-la. If I get this file, okay, this doesn't make any sense. The bash history is going to null, so it's not storing anything worth looking. Let's cd into .local ls cd share, sorry, cd nano cat search history, and it says only and. Let's do this. Sudo -l. Can we perform anything other than this? User Jimmy may not run sudo on OpenAdmin. Okay. So back ls cd ls. Where should we look for something different that could be helpful for us? And we don't have to put much effort in it. Think I need to buy a new stand for the mic. I don't know when. Where should we? Cat var, sorry, cd var ls, cd temp. What's in the temp? Nothing special. ls/temp. There also nothing special. Let's cd into dub and clear this out. Okay, so previously we was in ONA and we didn't check the internal and the HTML. So let's go there. HTML. And see if we can get any sort of new username and password. cd Sierra. Anything here? We have quite many files. Vendor, element, contact. Let's see if this has a tree. And it don't. So it's all basic stuff. I don't think we'll be able to find anything particular. cd marga over here. It seems same though. Let's cat readme. I don't want to miss on anything small. Shit. What does it say? Okay, nothing special. Let's perform grep -i capital R in double quotes PASS WORD password and then a string. Enter, and boom, we got too much garbage and in a very lengthy manner. Yush. Cleared this. ls cd dub ls cd internal. Let's see what's here. Cat main.php. Shit. And it says OpenAdmin trusted, OpenAdmin. Okay. We have something over here. If we can execute this cute script, we can get the what SSH key of the user Jonah, this user. So to do this, how do we perform execution of the PHP? I don't know. So we will look here. Where? EXECUTE execute PHP from command line. This one. And all we need to do is this PHP and main.php. This it says the permission denied. Sudo php main.php, enter. Jimmy, copy paste, enter. No. Yeah, you can close yourself. PHP file. This could not open input. Okay. My bad. Main.php. We don't have the permission to be specific. Bro, I just still didn't like got any response from you. Like, what sort of .md file you're looking for from me? Cat index dot this. What the hell is this, man? I was wasting my time over there, and we found this over here. Yeah. And after looking around, we found this new string, which is SHA-512, and shit. And it seems we need to crack it to get the pass. It seems my brain is way faster than my hand, so sometimes I speak before I write. And there is mismatch between those. So we will do this technique, snip, and boom. Pretty damn big snip. Copy, remove all of this till here and perform another snip. And we'll copy the string, get here, and we'll go to CyberChef, paste this here, and do we have SHA-512? Nope. SHA-2 won't be able to decrypt it. Okay, it will be, because the size is 256. It seems rounds is the one that's messing it up. Okay. Let's see. Where? Okay, I think we got it here. Oh, here. No. Here. Oh, damn. So many errors. Let's remove this. it's not able to create like proper around. Oh, we got another one. There we go. Nice. Not this one. This one. This one. No. Any other good site for this? Damn. Okay, nope. Man. Let's see. Shot 512. Decrypt. This one and this one and this one. This one too. This one too. We will not open this here cause we will get to see way too much ads, so we will open it here. It's SHA 2 SHA 512 decrypt. Yes, this one and this one, every little one. Decrypt, paste here. No. Decrypt, boy, decrypt it. It says could not decrypt. You're not worthy. Paste, decrypt. You're also not worthy. Don't tell me. Okay, let's paste this here, decrypt, and see if this can decrypt it. Revealed. Bro, I already know that it's SHA 256. Not 256, but 512. I need also hash functions. I need its actual string. What will be its output? Hash decode. Decrypt. I don't know. Maximum minute 1. Decrypt. Combination tried. I don't think even this will be able to fetch it. Hashcat. Oh, I see. So are you saying to run hashcat on it, or you're asking for .md file? Okay, it seems we have got variety of output here, and if I click this, oh shit, copy md5 hash value, search md5 hash, damn it, Don't be smart with me. MD5. Back here. Oh, here. Paste the value, decode. And let's see if this gives anything. Yeah, revealed. You reveal nothing. Garbage. IO tool. What's this one? Input here. This one. Copy, paste, decrypt. Let's see if it can. Paste. Oh, it's the same garbage website. Decrypt online. I don't think this will be able to decrypt it. Yep. This application don't have what it takes. If I click on these, it will be eventually dead. Lower. Let's try this. Even if I do the this hash cat hyphen identify IDE NDIFY and put it into the both of the strings, it's gonna show it's SHA-256 SHA-512. And if I perform any sort of decoding here, I'm pretty sure it's gonna create some sort of mess. But I guess we can do what you say, man. Hashcat assemble Windows command and we'll copy this, go to open admin and put it here. Double click this, copy this, paste it here, and it should identify itself what it's dealing with and give us something useful in return. Now it depends if it can. Cause my system is not that powerful, which can handle. Oh, exhausted. It couldn't. If I put it here, copy this, open admin, get all the way here, copy, paste, and clear hashcat, identify this number, paste, clear, paste, enter. I'm pretty sure it, ouch, won't be able to. There is one website that I'm forgetting for this kind of stuff. A pretty obvious one. Hash cracking site. We got anything? No. Cat died because of exhaustion. Clear. Hashcat and online. There we go. This is the one. Crack station. I totally forgot about it. Let's see if this can get something. Motorcycle. Talking about this. Crack the hash. Hash reveal. We already know this shit, bro. What we want is are we missing something here? Yeah, crack station. I'll bookmark it. I usually forget this website. So we will edit this, remove this, save this, and drag it next to this. There we go. Ouch. The interface is pretty weird. Oh, what payment is due? Give me a sec. Oh. Yeah, you can deduct it. So we already know like which hash it is, so we don't need that. Now what I'm thinking is, even though we have that hash, we might have to fetch this other file too. Cat. Boom. Main. This one. We need this file one way or another. We don't have the permission to run this file. Let's tag this also in here. And along with this, we have also found another file which is main.php, which contain the path of the file contain the path for id_rsa file, which we can use to perform SSH over user Jonah. Now the question is, the Jimmy don't have the power to run this PHP file. Can the user www-data can run this file. Can he? So to check that, if we do su www hyphen data, can we switch the user? I don't think we need a password for this. Okay, it seems we need. So we need to perform this again. Over here, netcat listener and /this, and in here copy this, paste this, enter. Now we have the power. And can we do cd here? And coincidentally we can't. So close this, clear this, and cancel this, get back. And if I do php, paste this and put /main.php, will it trigger? It says could not open file. Okay, I don't want to open the file. I want you to trigger this file. Who is asking you to open this file? Couldn't open this file. Okay, so we don't have the permission in either way. And for some reason, bro, you deleted your message. Okay, it was related to that website. Understood. What's in the cat logout.php? It says username and password. You have cleared clean session. Refresh twice. URL is equal to this. Okay, why? Who is messaging again? This is messed up. You have cleared session. What it could be? Do we have something in here? I forgot the command. Let's see what's the socket statistics command hyphen tln. Shit. TLN, enter. It seems we have something running over here. SSH, fine. Then there is this, which is not fine. And let's see. We don't have any way to run this file as of now, but I have found something interesting. That is, we have another web service running here. Locally over the port 52846. 52846. Let's create a reverse terminal. Using the SSH. And try access this port. And to do so, we will exit, or before that, let's copy this and paste it here with this whole garbage. There we go. Now let's create a tunnel using SSH. Now exit from here and let's create a tunnel. Okay, this make a bit sense. We are out and we can remove this. Now we'll perform -L and the port number is this, right? This is a port number :127.0.0.1 and the same port again. This is the port where it will run over our local system, and this is the port over which we are trying to connect using this SSH. So when I enter and provided the password, which is Ninja Warrior in weird way, and now we have the access and we can clear all this. Now let's surf the given port, which is this one, on our local. So if I go here and open new tab 127.0.0.1 : paste the port, enter, and we get here. And login restricted. It says refresh twice if you remember the instruction. Or we are not doing it right. Let's see if we can access it using the Jimmy credentials. Because that's the only thing we have right now, correct? Okay, wrong username and password. What if I do admin? Paste, enter. No. Okay, so what we have? It says username is Jimmy, right? Jimmy, Jimmy, paste. If this and is empty, Jimmy, login, it's not gonna perform. Yeah, this is a password. Wrong password. What could be the problem here? We have index dot. Okay. What other file do we have? We have this. If I check over here, it says confirm form submission. So we cannot view the source code. Okay, we can. Login restricted. We are not able to enter with the Jimmy password. What else we can do? Let's see. Clear cd over this endpoint, the internal, clear ls. We have index. Can we open this file? It seems no. Okay, we didn't add one more thing here, which is cat main.php. There you go. Now we are connected over this and we are able to access this. Jimmy pass is not working, and it seems we can't even open this main.php for some reason. It requires the login, correct? So if we do clear and ls cat index.php, login restricted. This. What is this hash actually? I'm feeling that this good luck bro, try to brute force it with Hydra. Yeah, we can do that. But I'm feeling that this hash is the key actually to log in here, and for some reason we are not able to find it actually properly how we can do it. So let's go back here and see again when it cracked the hash. Traffic light. There you go. Next, motorbike. No. Use the crack hash. I don't think that will also do much. Damn it. Just skip. Okay, cars. 1, 2, 3. Verify. Crack hash. Oh, okay. It was actually giving me the answer all along. I didn't put my mind into it. This is the... Yes, right. The revealed is actually the answer. Okay, so if I do this now, Jimmy, and paste this and try to log in. I was being an idiot. Okay, I shouldn't be doing this while I'll be giving an exam. Like, this is embarrassing, man. This is actually embarrassing. Damn. What the hell was that? Okay. Let's copy this. And cut this. We will be getting pop-up, but we didn't. So let's add this. Let's use the crack station to crack this SHA 512. And the pass is boom, revealed. Who would have thought I could be this dumb? But yeah, whatever. Who said it's not working? It worked, man. Now we'll use username and password. Let's add the table. Damn it, man, that's actually embarrassing. User name, password, and especially when you're live, Jimmy, and the password is revealed, and we are in. Let's and along with that we have also got the ID underscore RSA key here. Let's copy this, add it here, but for the POC over here, we'll zoom in a bit. sufficient enough. Get the screenshot and put it here. Okay. Clutch it back. We can close everything, it seems. Clear. And if we do cd, now that we have the key, let's save it and give it the required permissions and run it. And its password is ninja as per the as per web page. Okay, so I think we can do it here itself. So we will do echo. Instead of echo, let's do what should we do? Nano, or let's do vi id underscore r id underscore rsa, enter, and vi is working. Copy this whole, paste it here, right quit exclamation cat id rsa, now let's put it into into the file, and the file is I think we can just directly do this. Now give it the permissions. Which permission do we give usually? chmod 600 and idrsa, enter. And now if I do ssh johna, no, what was its spelling? Ling. Where the hell did it went? There we go. Jana there at localhost. I think this should work. Enter. No. Cancel. We forgot to provide it the -i idrsa space, enter. Yes. The phrase for this key is ninja itself. Ninja, paste, enter. Do we have permission? Okay, maybe it didn't like the local host part, so we will provide it its actual IP address, paste, enter. Yes, the phrase is ninja, enter, enter. What the hell? NINJA, enter. What the hell I'm doing wrong? chmod plus X. Let's see. IDRSA. Say we messed up with the permissions. 700, it's not at stake. If we do this 666, enter. Again, not the correct permissions. The 600 is the correct one. Enter the phrase NINJA, enter. Do I need to like decrypt this also? Like using the John to SSH, I guess that could be a problem here. NINJA. Oh. Cancel ch mode. Oh shit. Ch mode. 600 IDRSA, enter. It still doesn't seems to be working. I guess we have to crack it further. Now the thing I need to check is we have this John, right? Does John have anything using John John to SSH or SSH to John? I think it's SSH. Sure. Exit, clear SSH to John. Yeah, this is a correct one. So we will do now is vi id underscore rsa, enter, as it didn't work previously. So copy this, paste it here, create the file, and now we will do ch mode 600 IDRSA. By creating on our local system. SSH to John. File is IDRSA, and oh, got this, but this should have went into the file, right? So this is going to HES hashes. We already have this file, right? So it is going to be sh hashes. Oh, I hope you guys are not getting bored by watching me. I was thinking that it's a pretty easy box, but it is easy, but it's lengthy box in easy manner. Let me check how much time the person took to pawn this machine. 20 minutes, 11 minutes. Change logs, no. Walkthrough, no. Okay. I'm the slowpoke here then. Most probably because I'm not the regular, but we'll eventually get the speed. Okay, so thanks, bro. So next thing is we need to perform is identify hash cat hyphen IDENTI by hashes. No, this one, and it says mismatch. So without getting bothered, we will do this. Now let's crack it. Clear. John, yeah, using John. Open this. Hashcat can be removed, and we can use it. Paste. I think we can remove the equal to, and hash is going to be this. Enter, and finger cross we should get the key this time, although I'm not sure if we'll get it, but anything can happen. Nah, man, learning new things from you. I'm learning new things by myself, man. Okay, so it says okay, didn't use our word list. That means because we removed the equal to sign from here, that messed up the stuff here. Now it's working correct. Yes, right. I knew it. Actually, I already have that in my password list. Not the password list, but in my notes. I was just trying it if it works. And to be precise, I have tried this many times, but I always forget, like, it don't work in that manner. So there we go. We got the password. Blood ninjas. Man, this I could have like brute force just like normal. I don't know why I did that. Okay. Well, this is the intended way, the path, so let's stick with that. Oh yeah. I have so much I would like to give to the community, but it'll take time. I can't share everything right away. So now we got the password. Let's use that pass to access the user. What room are you currently doing? Right now I'm working on the box open admin retired machine. It retired like way back. Okay, I guess we can close this, and we are user here. So what's the username? Yet I forgot the username again. It's the Jimmy. What was that username? Yeah, Jonah. So let's try SSH. Not this one, but Jonah. Without this SSH key. Okay, it seems we need the key with this. -I IDRSA, enter. And this is actually the phrase instead of a password. And if we provide it, we should get in. And we are in. Search. Using SSH. Boom. Instead of pops, fireworks should be shoot. Okay, so let's clear this. ls cat user.txt. Did I type way too much fast? User dot don't tell me you die on me, bro. Don't you dare die on me. Okay, cat user.txt. There we go, and we're gonna put it here. Got the hash. We'll put it here and here too. Submit. What Obsidian theme are you currently using? It's a Hack the Box theme created by Golam. Here you can see, and it's officially available in the themes over here. If you look for Hack the Box, there you can see it's there. Though I have created some edits there, so you can see Golam 7.1 total 957 downloads has been done. So there are a few changes that I have made by myself. As you can see, I have my own CSS script over here, because of which if I perform some sort of bold action, for example this has a different color even in the italic. This is my own customization, and if you are looking at the images over here, the border, it's round and has a green border around it. That's also my doing in that CSS script. Okay, so now we are here. We have got the user.txt flag. Now let's get the root access. And for that, there is 5 or 6 golden step I would recommend to everyone if you are working on the Linux and you have already entered in the user. So these 5 places always check, because other than these 5 places you won't find anything somewhere else. The first, always check if you can access the shadow and the pass file. Retired machines are sometimes vulnerable to kernel exploits. Yes, but I don't want to like put my mind over there, cause the machines I'll be tackling in the exam, I'm not sure if those will be having the kernel level exploits, but yes, we can check that later on. And I'm actually holding this part to work around later on when I'll have I'll solve most of these things and get back to the previous machines and try to exploit the given vulnerabilities which will be there, and we can exploit in another way. So yes, we will try that some another time. And I was explaining something. Can someone remind me? I was talking about some golden rules, 5 or 6. The first one I said, it was always check if the shadow file is accessible. And the other one was, bro, I'll do it. Just let me explain something then for now. The first, always try to cat the shadow file and the host files and the pass file, which is sitting in the etc host or etc pass and the etc shadow. The other thing is always check if your sudo has some sort of file access, file privilege. If you can run any file by using your user and it has direct access to the sudo, where you don't need any sort of password, or if your user has that permission by using your user password, you can trigger any sort of sudo access file which can help you elevate the privilege. The third thing, always check for the socket statics. That tells you if there is any sort of port open which could be running over the local system or which could be running internally within the network. So you can check if those port or any service is running within the network or on the local machine, like we did over here. Let's go all the way up over here by using these two commands if you're working on the Linux. Next, always check whatever permissions you have. If you have went from the using the web application or you got the RC from the web, always check if there is any file related to configuration, if you can access that file and get any sort of sensitive information out of it. That can also help you in any manner. It can contain some sort of password, it can contain some sort of other user credentials, or some file that you might be able to run directly from there and you don't need other sort user password access or something. So always check that if you have got the RC from the web. And the fifth one is you can use the linpace and some other stuff to check what sort of exploits are available for you. But the first 3 and 4 are in your hand, and without alerting someone, you can use the first 4 steps and you might be able to get most out of it. Oof. I hope I'm clear with my words, or like there isn't any sort of like misconception, or I didn't share anything wrong. As far as I can understand, I shared everything pretty correct, because that's the steps I follow whenever I get the user access. Now, if you saw a moment ago, I used the sudo -l directly when I went into the machine. I also tried to, oh yes, the fifth or sixth one is always try to switch user, because most of the time all the user have the access to this file, cat/etc/password, and you can get the users from here. So you can always check if you can perform SU and like switch to any other user without giving the password or the available password you have right now, if you can use that to elevate the privilege. So these are like 5-6 points you can always try, rather hitting your brain over the wall. So whenever you tackle the Linux machine in future, these are 5-6 places you can always check. So right now we don't need to perform the SU, but we can still try SU, and the password is what's the password? Blood Ninjas. There you go. Will it work? Unauthenticated. Okay, so let's do sudo -l if we have, and there we go. We have the permission to run nano, and in nano we can trigger this file without any password. Let's see what this file holds. Cat. Okay, this seems to be an empty file. So we will do this, copy this and perform the sudo. And after reading this command, I can only think about one thing, because everyone, if you guys are sitting here, if you have ever worked around with the Linux that much, you know what nano is, what vi is, what vim is. So the only thing I can think over here is either we can edit this file, if it's writable, we can add some sort of what we say, shit, I'm forgetting, exploit in it, which can help us get the root. And the other thing is, if we can add or like perform any sort of action later on in the nano itself, and that can help us leverage or get the access of root. And from here, I'm remembering only one thing, and that one thing is GDFO bin. This is a luxury if you're like getting these kind of exploits or the privilege escalation kind of stuff. You can go here and fetch like most of the application which are already sitting within the Linux, and you might be able to use one of these commands to escalate the privilege. So right now we have nano, and there we go. Let's open it, and we have this here, and it says it can be used to break out from restricted environment by spawning an interactive system shell. And others is the B, spell environment variable can be used in a place of the -s option if command line cannot be changed. So we will try the first one and see if it works. Yes, that also way. So yeah, if as long as you have the right permission anywhere, you can like make it do any sort of action. But remember, even if you have the right permission, you need a execution permission level of root. If you don't have the execution permission level of root, you will eventually get back to the same user and you won't be able to elevate the privilege. So that's another factor that you have to remember. And yes, my friend, you have written right in the chat. Drop a reverse shell script inside the file. That can be way, or you can write the bin bash within that file. So we'll press enter and we are in. It says press Control R, read file, file to insert. It says then this, and now we have the permission to execute the command, and we're gonna copy this and paste it here and enter. Did we got anything? Who am I? Okay, it didn't work. Boom. We are root. We are root. Like if we do bash, and there we go. We are Jonah. So we will put it here in the end. Now let's check if we have any permission. If okay, I'm writing it right. If sudo our user sudo have any permission to run any file, permission to run any file. And it seems it has. Okay, we are in Jonah. We will get cd /root/root.txt. Instead of root, we will do cat and enter, and there we go. Cut, and we will paste it. And as we always do, we will also cat /etc/shadows. No, it's a shadow. As I was saying, even if the machine is retarded, bro, heck, the box does not allow showing flag even if the machine is retarded. I think now you can, no, I think now you can show the flag. Actually, why? You can't use this flag because flags are on rotation. Let me show you how. I'm just, nah, man. I don't want to put myself into the same curse again. It was it was a piece of cake. This one was easy. No. The flag rotates. Now you have submitted it. It should rotate. I don't think you can submit the same flag. And if you are talking about like I can't share the flag, like this doesn't make any sense. Why would someone like use my flag on the very first place? If you gonna do that, then why bother putting that much effort? Just don't buy the subscription. Stay where you are. If you're learning something, then it's worth putting your time here. Otherwise, you're just wasting your time. Okay, so the last command. This is the one. Cat shadow. And we are still missing on the root. So for that, I don't think we can scroll here. So we'll grep root, enter, and there we go. Another way to get what you want. Cancel or exit. Exit. No, I don't want to modify anything. There we go. Copy this. This. Search. There we go. Can you hack someone number with this? Someone number with this? I didn't get the point. Someone number with this. Like, don't tell me it's a request similar to the people make, like, please hack my girlfriend account, Facebook account, or some shit. Like, I hope it's not something like that. Metrics, real life applicable. Yeah, I got those requests too. It's not like I'm working in the cybersecurity like recently. I'm working since I won't say I'm working. I recently started associating with the corporate past 2.5 years back. But before that, I used to self-learn. I went into some shady stuff, but after like 3 or 5 years, I left that place. That was like a rabbit hole. And I would request you guys, like, don't go if you find anything shady somewhere. Like, if you get into that loop, you will get a pretty good ransom. You will get pretty good amount of money. But at some place, it can even, like, cost your life. So, yeah. I'm working like for pretty good time. I started learning hacking since I was in 8th standard, as per the Indian grades. 8th standard, like since when I'm talking about since 2012. In 2014, I got my 10th grade degree, not degree, but declaration. Yeah, I'm doing this since 2012, and it's been almost 12 or 13 years. So yeah, this been a long journey, and even in this field you have to like keep up the knowledge with the industry. It's not always like you have worked on something in way back, you will still get that now, but there are chances that you will get the same stuff some places. That's the another reason why most of the compromise happen in like quite big organization, because of the legacy system they use, and they don't make upgrade because nobody wants to touch the legacy system as they're working good. So like sometime if you tamper with the legacy code itself, even if you put some space or colon, or like if you put anything there, it can break the whole environment. So people don't tamper with the legacy stuff, and that's the place where most of the hacker lurks. I've been doing from 2016. From 2016, that's the time when I passed my 12th standard. Okay, that's pretty good time. It's been almost 9 years. That's pretty good time, man. Okay, so I'm in 12th now. Okay. Since 2016. 8 year, you're 12. Bro, you're a born hacker or something? Like, who gave you the privilege to even, like, touch the laptop? In my time, like those 1 hour or 2 hour was like too much time for a like kid to touch the laptop or like the computer system itself. Yeah. Well, keep learning, bro. And bro, you seems to be a rich guy. Well, I'm still struggling to get a good laptop. Right now I have the good laptop only from the company that they gave. It's Apple M2. I'm now thinking to get a proper environment where I can do experiments and create content for you people, which will be fun. I have so much, like literally so much to share. There are some stuff that I can't share because of the experience that I have, but even putting that aside, I still have so much. We shall collab. Sure, anytime. But right now, for the like in term of collaboration, I'm looking for someone who can help me build the scripts. For example, if I'll show you some of my work over here right now, I need someone help with this GitHub repo. It's a GoDaddy stuff, and thank God it's empty. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to fetch all the subdomains that resides over the GoDaddy, and from there I'm trying to find if there is any subdomain like domain that don't have any sort of DNS entry or host entries into the GoDaddy itself. It can be on another place. For example, it can be on Cloudflare, it can be on AWS or Azure, like anywhere. So I'm trying to like gather all those subdomain on a one place where I can read that and try to accommodate that subdomain list, and we can perform the security test on all of those. So that's the plan I have for this script, and this is how the output will look like. This is still broken output, like you will get it, but there is now new tab has been added, which will show the source, if it's from GoDaddy, if it's from Cloudflare, if it's from the AWS. So that's what I'm working on. Yes, you can also leverage that for the subdomain takeover also. So like that can have a multiple use case. It's like depend on someone who can think how far someone can think. Some places you might be able to find the GoDaddy API keys, Cloudflare API keys. So like using that together, you might be able to like grab some good amount of bounties, bug bounties, and also help your employer to get secure. So that's the idea I have, and on that I'm working. If someone wants to put a contribution in it, you're welcome. There you have it. I worked on it like pretty recently, 3 days back. And I also like rewrite the stuff. Do you use this? Use what? Okay, let's close this first. Exit. Now that we have everything clear, fix this. Now we can good for web enumeration. Do you use this security trails? Yes, that's a pretty good service, I would say. This is one of the pretty good service. There is another one that I recommend, which is similar to the Shodan. I'm not remembering its name. It's let me open the browser here. There is. It's Census. So this is another pretty good service that you can use, and this is a security trails. You can use both of these, and yes. Oh, pretty good point, man. I'll add this over here as an issue. Over here, we'll add one more issue. We can make it as an improvement. Add security trails. Two. And this will be labeled as enhancement project this milestone. I don't need any milestone. Yeah. Yes, they do provide it, and I have their API key, but it has a limitation on it, so it won't be that much helpful. But even if it's helpful in some manner, why not use that? We can use the security trail to fetch subdomains which used to be active, and we can also get the real IP address if that IP address is static. But if it's dynamic, it's no use. Okay, there we go. Another issue. Now you got two issues here. The first one is it's not listing out the actual asset, and it's not a bug. I'll comment it out later. It's not, let's do it. It's not listing them cause the DNS entries for those domains are not on the GD itself, but on the different platform. Could be Cloudflare, could be AWS, or any other which is there in the market. Another close with the comment. There we go. Projects all set, and what we haven't done add the security tail, create auto script. Yes, this is another script that I was working on for automating the Redis. I have so many ideas. I'm working on all of those bit by bit. Whenever I get the time, I give my time there. This is the one, Redis. I'm pretty sure I have the README for this. Yes, there it is. This need an enhancement, and I hope I'll get time to improve it in future, near future. Okay, so we are done with this. Pretty good machine. Stop. I'll add it later by myself. Let's see what's the next machine. It's Admire. Let's copy the name, get here, open this, get here, and add the template. There we go. It's a easy one, and it's Linux. Creation date will be Monday because we'll be working on it next day, and we are solving it in live. Machine URL is this. There we go. we can add this host, but HTTP, but we don't. Or we won't. Okay, so we are set for the next machine. We'll be playing tomorrow. And with this, if anyone has any question, anything they want to ask, chat is open. And I'm reading. I'll try my best to answer as many questions as I can. And if there is something new that I don't know, I'll take the note out of it and explore it. Then I'll answer it, or we can explore it together. All of the possibility, right? Let's go. Let's see if there is any new anime. Cam up. Nothing to watch today. Have you tried malware development? Malware development? No. Nope. Never got the time. Malware development is like you need to know the very basics of programming language on which I'm working slowly. But before that, I would like to get my hands into the reverse engineering. Then I'll go for the malware development. And why I will be going there? Yes. I'm not learning specifically C, but I'm trying to learn the syntax out of it, so I can write stuff for this gadget. Where is it? For this. I'll be writing stuff for this. Not right now, but pretty soon. I also have where is my magic box? I have the RFIDs and stuff, like there's so much stuff. I also got one, and hack RF. Yeah, and this is the other thing that I have. If you know, you know what it is. Yeah, I think it's pretty messed up because it's sitting in my bag for quite long. Yes, it's rubber ducky. I'll be writing stuff around this too. I found it pretty fascinating that you have this and all you have to do is just bump into the computer and it will give you the jackpot you're looking for, right? Let me close. Okay, so what time it is? It's been 3 hours. I spent $1.5 in one day on Hack 5. Bro, I hope I could be as rich as you someday and spend the same amount. And like I also want to like work around with the IoT. Actually, I got this as a gift from someone, but I also have the interest in IoT. I'll be developing stuff there too, but yeah, it's by time process. Do you have Instagram? I do have, but you won't see me over there much. Even if you I won't be replying many people because because let me show you the reason. If you see over here, I have a notification denied. I don't get the notifications. But yeah, if you want to follow, you can follow me there. And seems someone has got my number from somewhere. And I don't know who is pinging me. And I hope I didn't reveal his number. But yes, whatever. Who is it? Even I don't know. I'll investigate this person, then we'll revert over his message. And with this, let's close today's session, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, enjoy your night, enjoy your day, enjoy your time. And I'm not sure how long will this Happy New Year thing will work, but as long as new people are joining and old ones are sitting, Happy New Year to everyone. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your time and have a great rest of your year and time. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, bye bye, enjoy time.